So back to a troubleshooting tutorial. I don't know what this is, but anyways, as you can see there goes the new ray cycle LED Fender Eliminator kit. Since I bought this thing, it has the license plate light has not worked, and I've had it for about like 2 months now, and it's been a pain in the ass. I've actually talked to New Ray Cycle. I have them send me out a new strip because they thought maybe the light was out because there was no nicks in the wire or anything. But what I've come to figure out, being a former electrician, when I went to go look at these leads, and I've seen this before from half-assed electricians, sometimes they don't, they won't crimp the wires to the actual piece here. So as you can see, this one is no longer on there. That's just because it pulled straight off. So not only did they not splice the wire to make the connection, so when I hook this part to that part, you see where I'm going? So that's why it didn't work in the first place. Or manufacturing, or there's probably some kid in their warehouse that's doing this. So New Ray Cycles, check your folks, because they might be causing you issues that don't need to be. But easy fix. I have a little crimp kit, so we get busy and see if that works.
2,000 years later.
And we're back, and it was just like I said. So that's the new splice, and now if you look at it, it works. So it was exactly what I had thought. They didn't splice their terminals correctly, and so obviously there was no electrical connection. So I don't know who else gets these, but just be aware if you do get a New Ray Cycle or any other Fender Eliminator, because it can happen to any of them. If it's not working and everything else comes on besides that, check if you haven't looked at your fuses and everything else, check and make sure that those terminals actually have a splice that's making the electrical connection to give you the full path back, obviously, so you get power and then you get that. Yeah, but I figured that. I didn't want to play with it, but I guess today was the day. Everything else on the bike is peachy, at least right now. But yeah, quick fix, I guess, and something you shouldn't have to do. But if you didn't know about it, check your splices and make sure they're done correct. Just because it comes from a manufacturer, remember that those are people that's doing things, so mistakes happen. Alrighty, well, I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.
Oh, I know.